The V-Cart is an extremely lightweight but strong and versatile foldable trolley. The front and rear wheels can be removed by the push of a button and stored underneath for transport or compact storage, and they simply lock into place as shown. The V-Cart requires no assembly and unfolds by pushing the button on the handle, where it locks into place at two separate positions. The V-Cart comes standard with one folding basket which locks into place by a clip at each end. There is a simple-to-use foot pedal brake that locks the rear wheels when pressed downwards. The basket can be raised into position by removing the clips at each end, pulling upwards and folding the end panels into place. The clips can then be used on each end of the basket rims, which makes the basket more secure on the top platform. The V-Cart's top platform can also be folded back for transport of larger items, or if more than one basket is to be used on the bottom platform. Extra baskets can be purchased and up to 4 baskets can be used, which lock into place on each other. To fold the V-Cart down, you simply press the button on the handle and fold downwards. The V-Cart is fitted with these support legs which clip into place so the trolley can be stored upright when folded. The V-Cart is an aluminium and plastic folding trolley that weighs just 10 kilograms, yet has a carrying capacity of up to 90 kilograms, making it the perfect trolley for use in hundreds of applications.